Hello and welcome to this new and exciting tutorial where we are going to learn how to create WhatsApp for Business. To do that, you'll simply go to your Play Store on your phone and then you type WhatsApp Business and then you will find it from WhatsApp LLC and click on Install, and then you'll give it time to download and install. And the difference between this and the other one is that you'll notice it has a letter B at the center, unlike the normal WhatsApp. Once the download is complete and it has been installed, you will click on Open here. And then you'll get this WhatsApp Business. It's a simple and secure, reliable way for business to connect their customers. As I said, you'll notice that it has a B, letter B at the center. So you'll scroll down here and click on Agree and Continue. So you will have to read the terms of service and then click on Agree and Continue. And then you'll put the phone number that you want to use for this account. So you can use WhatsApp Business with the same number that you use on your normal WhatsApp. But if you want to use the same number, you still click on use the same number. In this case, I'm going to use the same number, but if you needed to use a different number, you'd click on use a different number. So I'll click on use the number that I have. Then to move your chat history, media, and contact information, allow WhatsApp Business to access your contacts. You click on allow, or rather continue. And then it will ask you if you can allow it to access your contacts. You click on allow. And then, of course, to access your media, you click on allow. And then you'll give it time to connect. It will send a code to you. And that code will either be automatically inserted. You notice at the top here, we have a code that has been added. And then now I can put the code here that was sent to me. So I'll go back to my messages. And then you notice I have my WhatsApp code here, 600-721. So you give it time to verify again. So after the verification, it will bring you to this part where you need to create your catalog. And so for the catalog, for instance, let's start with the first one here. Offer better browsing, show what you are selling right in WhatsApp. So if I click on that, then I click on get started. You notice now I can add an item here. And you can notice here the JoshNet Electronics and the details we had given are there. So I can add an item. I click on plus there, creating your catalog. So you can add items to it. So you simply again give it time. And so this way you select the images. So I'll click on add images at the top there. Then I go to my gallery. And then now I can select the photos that I need. I'll select maybe this photo of the laptop here and check that down there. And so the image has been added. I can click on add more images there, but then I can give the details here for the item. I'll call it laptop, and then the price, I'll type that to be 25,000. Description, I can describe the laptop, maybe it's HP, it's new, and then I can even add more fields here, maybe like a link, the item codes, maybe I'll call it 001. And so I just add all that. Then I click on save, and then you give it time to save. So once you add the first item, you can also add more items. So let me add the second item just for reference. Add new item. Then you click on image, add images. Then you go to your gallery, then select the second image that you would want. I want now to add the image of the phone there. Then you click on the tick. You add the item name there, mobile phone. Then you can give the price. There I'll give it at 15,000. Then description. You can give the description. Maybe this is a used phone. It's new. You can again add more fields, and you can even add more photos of the same photo there, of the same phone. Then you click on save. And then again, you give it time to save. Now you notice under our catalog, we have items, and we can keep on adding those items. At the top here, you notice we can boost, and we can also click on share link at the top there, where we can now copy the link to that. Anyone with WhatsApp can follow this link to browse the catalog. This is the link. You click on that, and then you can now either share it on your WhatsApp, on Skype, whatever you want to share it. That's how you create that catalog. So I'll click back, and now you can also boost. Once you click on boost, all items are in review, and Facebook ads can only be created for items that are visible in your catalog. So you can boost that once the items have been reviewed. So now next, you can go to collections. You can also add to the cart here. If you click on this button, you can either deactivate or activate it so that you can have the cart added there. So if now I go back here and click on my account, I can now back up my work here. I can select the backup frequency, just like on a normal WhatsApp, daily, weekly, and all that, or never. I don't want the backup. Then I click on done down there, and now my WhatsApp business is ready. So if now I click on chats, you notice we have our chats there. If I click on updates, you notice I can see the updates there. But the most important part for WhatsApp business is the first part here. This is the part that is very different from the others. So this is where now I can see all the details. Now to create a messaging, you notice we can create a greeting message. So you click on that, and this is a message that you can send to greet your customers, and you can greet them when they message you for the first time or after 14 days. So you activate that there, and then you can now change the message here. For instance, you notice, thank you for contacting JoshNet Electronics. Please let us know how we can help you. That's okay, but you can also improve it by adding anything else that you want, maybe an emoji or anything else. So that's how you and you can edit the whole of this message. And then you click on OK. And then you can decide on the recipients. You decide who receives this, everyone, or everyone not in the address book, everyone except a few people. You select which ones, and you can also select who to send to only. So once you click on that, you click back, you click on save. So that has been added. And then you can do the away message here. This is a message that is sent when you are away. You activate it at the top there. Then down here you can edit it. Thank you for your message. We are unavailable right now, but we'll still respond as soon as possible. You can edit that, and you can just make it to be what you want it to be. And you can schedule that, whether to send it always or custom schedule or outside business hours. You can set it to be sent maybe once you are outside business hours. So you can change all that. Then you click on save. You can also do quick replies where you can reuse frequent messages. So thank you for your business. We look forward to working with you. These are quick reply. Maybe once someone has bought something from you, you can edit this quick reply, and then you can send it, and you can give it the shortcut name here. Here it's written thanks. I can call it appreciation. Then you click on save, and the quick recovery has been updated. So this means now that if anyone, maybe you do business with somebody, instead of having to retype the whole message, you simply click on the quick reply and send that. If someone sends you a message outside your working hours, they will just receive an away message. If someone maybe texts you for the first time, they'll get the greeting message or the welcome message to them. So that is how you simply create a WhatsApp business. I hope this has been helpful. Kindly like this video, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel.